Hello everyone, my name is Rodney Pascual, a grade 12 student of STEM in Tansa National Comprehensive High School. In this podcast, I would like to present my weekly reflection in philosophy. So let's start. Stay tuned everyone, enjoy and learn something because this podcast is for you.
Hello everyone, this is my week 1 reflection in philosophy and let's talk about doing philosophy. Before let's start our reflection, first, what is philosophy? Philosophy comes from two Greek words, philos and sophia. Philos means love and sophia means wisdom, meaning love of wisdom. Philosophy is a science where reasons and logic are used to understand reality and answer questions of knowledge, morality, and human nature. It can be described as either a body of knowledge or an intellectual activity. Doing philosophy means engaging oneself in matter utility and methodologies to eliminate any practical problem or abstract ideas. In the process of doing philosophy, it is critical to have a holistic point of view, a way of looking at all aspects of situation first before making a conclusion. Some other skills involved in doing philosophy are critical, logical, and analytical thinking. Before engaging in philosophical inquiry, one must be able to distinguish between holistic and partial point of view. This is critical for anyone doing philosophy because it sets a limit in coming up with conclusions about given situations. Holistic perspective looks at all aspects of the given problems or situation. All aspects are given importance when making conclusions. An example, a teacher listens to both sides of her two arguing students before making any conclusions about the issues. While the partial point of view looks only a limited number of aspects the given problem or situation. Conclusions are made based on the considering some but not all sides of the problems or situation. Example, a teacher called students A after students B accused him of stealing her pencil case. However, the teacher only listened to the story of the student B and not to the student A before deciding to this called student. Doing philosophy can be applied to day-to-day activities to gain a better life perspective as well. It involves an evaluative process and allows a person to make a better decision to act accordingly to these situations with the help of various skills he or she acquired in doing philosophy. On gaining better life perspective, philosophy enables reflective thinking which greatly influences a person's view of life, challenges, and relationship. So, everyone can be a philosophy. We all have the potential to philosophize since we have the tendency to wonder and doubt. Someone who does philosophy is a good communicator who can clearly and adequately present his or her ideas. But in the Filipino culture, we have used the term philosopher to refer to someone who has a lot of questions and many of which are judged as nonsense or out of this world. We often do not take a philosopher seriously because we think of them as simply trying to get attention by annoying others. The term philosopher connotes the image of a comical and sometimes annoying character. It is often used to describe someone who plays the word or twists commonsensical reasoning in order to come across as funny. Sometimes, the philosopher is also described as KSP or kulang sa pansin because their incessant questioning gives impression that they are desperate for attention. How about you? If you heard the word philosophy, what comes in your mind first? The philosophy where reason and logic are used, or philosopher that described as KSP or kulang sa pansin? That's all everyone. I hope you enjoyed and learned something for this weekly reflection in this podcast. Stay tuned, everyone. See you in my next update. Bye, God bless, and stay safe.